What's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Youngie right here, and I'm back at it again. Bless you all for tuning into today's episode. So as you all know, guys, I'm back again to review all the trade setup I took for the week and the outcome, because as you all know, I'm documenting my journey to consistent profitability here on YouTube. And guys, if you are new to this channel, or you're just coming across this channel for the first time, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, like, share and comment. But most importantly, hit that subscribe button, support your boy. And if you've been watching my video, you've been seeing my channel for long and you've not subscribed, please guys, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, support your boy. God bless. So guys, this week I didn't do much on the charts. I didn't take many trades this week. I did not take many trades this week. I only got one trade opportunity this week, and it's on GBPJPY. It's a buy opportunity. That was the only opportunity I got this week, and that was the opportunity I was managing throughout this week. I didn't get opportunity on USDT, and that was the only opportunity I got on GBPJPY, which I took for this week. And I know it's normal, because sometimes that I come to the chart 1 week, I only get a trade setup, so it was normal to me to just get one trade setup for the week. So I was not really bothered about it. So the trade setup which I took for this week was I took the trade setup on Tuesday. Yes, on Tuesday, and I held the trade setup from Tuesday, Friday, and the trade setup didn't play out. Didn't get to my target, that's take profit. So I'm still holding the trade till now. I'm still holding the trade now. Today is currently Sunday as of the time of making this video. So the trade, I'm still on that trade till now. I'm holding it over the weekend. So I decided to hold it over the weekend, and I'll see the outcome next week. And before, what I do is that most of the time if I have a trade on Friday, I do close all my trade setup, whether it has played out or not. I do close most of my trade that does not play out, a small profit, small loss, or break even. But I noticed that there are some trades I will take, it won't play out that week, and I will close it out that week, and the following week the trade will play out, and I will miss out on the movement. So I was like, I just need to just start holding trade, because if I take a trade and I close it out in small profit and the trade later play out, it's me, I'm still missing out at the end of the day. So I decided to start holding trade over the weekend, and at the end of the day, if the trade later hits stop loss the following week, if it take profit, still part of it. And if you take profit, but what I do is that if the trade has get to 1-to-1 risk to the word, I will break even. But the trade which I took for this week has not gotten to 1-to-1 risk to the word, so the trade is still open. Like, the stop loss is set and the take profit is set on the trade. So I will just see how it plays out next week. So the trade which I took for this week, like I said, is GBPJPY. So this is the trade on the screen. This is a video of the trade on the screen. I took this trade. It's a 1 to 2 hour trade setup. I took this trade on Tuesday, and I got this entry from the 4 hours time frame. I got the double bottom formation from the 4 hours time frame, because from the 4 hours time frame, and there was a double top on the 1 hour time frame. But I took the trade after seeing the double top formation on the 1 hour time frame, and I didn't take this trade as an instant execution. I placed a buy limit on this trade, and I took this trade on all my accounts. So this week I got another PROPFIRM account, and it's a NairaProp account, NairaProp account with NairaProp, a 200k size account, because the last time I traded NairaProp was in the month of January and in the month of March, which I lost. The one which I got in the month of January, I lost at phase 1. The one which I got in the month of March, I lost at phase 2. And since then, I didn't trade with NairaProp. So I decided to try NairaProp account again this month and see how it goes. But the thing about this particular trade is that it's a buy limit, and I placed the buy limit on the Atlas funded account. So this is the trade on the Atlas funded account. On the Atlas funded account, I placed the buy limit on the Atlas funded account. The buy limit got triggered on the Atlas funded account, and as you can see, the trade is floating. Before the market closed, was floating in profit of $132. $132.67. So this is the trade was floating $132.67 before the market closed for the week. The buy limit was triggered on the Atlas funded, but on the Maven PROPFIRM, as you can see, I have no position open on the Maven PROPFIRM account. That's because on the Maven PROPFIRM account, the buy limit which I placed was not triggered, and I don't know why it was not triggered. I think the mistake was from me. I will not say it's whether Maven PROPFIRM have a different or whether there's issue with price. I will say the mistake is for me because I placed the buy limit, and I think Maven PROPFIRM account was the last account which I placed the buy limit. So there can be tendencies that the buy limit has been triggered on the Atlas funded and the NairaProp before I placed it on the Maven PROPFIRM account. So the buy limit was not triggered on the Maven PROPFIRM account, but I left the buy limit open on the Maven PROPFIRM account from that Tuesday. I left it open till Friday, but I closed it on Friday. And the reason why I closed it on Friday was because on Friday was NFP, and I don't know what NFP might be, and there might be a reversal to the downside. GBPJPY might decide to sell, I don't know. So I cancelled it because I don't want a situation where because there's this rule on the Maven PROPFIRM account which I've talked before in one of my videos, that 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after the news, I must not take trade, and NFP is a red folder news. So I don't want a situation that whether the time the buy limit on the Maven PROPFIRM will get triggered will be the time it's going to fall within that time window. So I just cancelled it, and on that Friday there was a reversal on the GBPJPY trade that I could have, if I had left the Maven PROPFIRM buy limit on the Maven PROPFIRM open, the buy limit would have been triggered. But I looked at that time window and I just closed the trade because I was not even expecting any reversal, because the Tuesday which I took the trade was already in profit already, and I know that there's the chance of the trade reversing back to that level. I was not seeing, I don't know, but I was looking at that the chance was very slim, so I just closed it on the Maven PROPFIRM account due to the fact that there was NAP on Friday. I closed it. But the NairaProp account, this is the NairaProp account, I took the buy limit on the NairaProp account was triggered, and as you can see, before the market closed, the trade was floating $212 naira on the NairaProp account. It's a 200k size NairaProp account, and all I need to pass the first one is just 10%, which is 20,000 naira, and I'm risking about 17,000 naira on this trade on the NairaProp account. I'm risking about 17,000 naira on this trade for 20,000 naira, and there's about 1 to 1 point something risk to reward, 1 to 1.2. Let's just put 1 to 1.2 risk to reward. And the thing about this NairaProp account is that I have just 40,000 naira to. If I go in drawdown of 40,000, that is, if my balance gets to 160,000, it means the account is gone. But there's one thing about the NairaProp account is that there's limit to risk management on this account, because for me to take a trade on this NairaProp account, I'll first do my calculation in dollars, so before I'll actually get in naira and place the trade. So even with the lowest lot size, this is the 70,000 that was the risk available for this trade, so I took it, because at the end of the day, I know it's an account with that the risk management is very less, unless if I just want to be reducing and be working on my stop loss. Because one thing is that I don't just play stop loss based on people, I play stop loss based on structure. So that's why you see that I'm risking about 17,000 naira on this trade, because I don't want to reduce my risk, reduce my stop loss, because I want to have small risk, and at the end of the day, the trade is my stop loss, and the trade later go in my direction, which I know that point which I place my stop loss is not the point I'm supposed to place the stop loss. Is going to be even worse. So that's why I'm risking 17 for 20,000. So if this trade can give me 20,000 naira profit, but as you can see, my take profit is set at 21,000, and the reason why I did that is because of swap. I don't know if they charge swap on this NairaProp. I don't really know. I didn't check up for swap that much, but since I've been on the trade, they've not charged swap on it. I don't know if they charge swap, because swap has not been charged for holding the trade for like 4 to 5 days now before the market close. So if the trade can give me about 21,000 naira profit, I should be able to pass the phase 1 and go for the phase 2. So this is the trade on the NairaProp account. And one thing about this trade is that I took this trade and my analysis, I really did my analysis, so I'm not really bothered about the outcome for this trade, because I know at the end of the day it can either be a stop loss or a take profit or a break even, because there's a chance that the trade can go 1 to 1 reach to the world next week and I'll break even. So it depends on what market wants to do. So this is only the trade I took for the week, and I don't want to make this video too long. And this week also I did analysis again on NAS 100. Yes, NAS 100, and this I did about 2 analysis on NAS 100, and the first analysis played out, the second one played out. And what is that? I'm not trading this NAS 100. I just most of the time those do analysis on NAS 100 and German 30. But this week I didn't see any trade up. I didn't see like any trade on the German 30. But when I mean I didn't see any trade, not that I take the trades that I get on them, I'm just doing analysis on them to see how my strategy plays out with them. But NAS 100 this week, I see when I did analysis, I see that there's 2 possible opportunities, and the first one played out. The second one was even playing out before, was close to take profit before market closed for the week. But on German 30 this week, I didn't see any trade from the analysis which I did on German 30. And this week US 30, I didn't get any trade. So that's why I took just 1 trade for the week on GBPJPY. And the thing is that and this NAS 100 and this German 30, the reason I've not added it to my list is because I don't want to just, because I'm doing analysis on them and it's playing out, I'll just add them to my list. I want to get at data, because one thing I want to start prioritizing is that before I even decide to add any pair to my watch list, I must first gather data on that particular pair. Because this US 30 and this GBPJPY, most of the data I have is from a live market. Like trade is from the trades I've taken on the live market, but I've not really done deep back testing to gather data, and I'm gonna do that. That's one thing I want to do. Just that I don't know why I'm just not just being consistent, and I think I do procrastinate that much, and that's what I'm trying to work on. Like today now is Sunday. I'm supposed to record this video on Saturday, because now one thing is that I already have like a plan on what I should do each day of the week and the time. But I still find myself still breaking the plan of whether I'm supposed to do something by this time. Is either I procrastinate it, or I just leave that thing and do another thing entirely. And I think that's that thing I need to work on it. I need to work on it, because like this video I'm recording I'm recording it on Sunday, like I said. I'm also recording it yesterday, which is Saturday. I also recorded it yesterday, which is Saturday, but I'm just recording it today because yesterday I did some recording, but it was just like short form video. But this YouTube video that I'm supposed to record, I did not record a video yesterday, and I think I'm very bad with time management, and that's one thing I'm trying to like work on. And the funny thing is that I already have a book where I write, okay, this is what I'm supposed to do so time every day. I'm supposed to do this time, analyze this time, read this time, back test this time, check the chart, something like that. But I just find myself messing up every time. It's either I'm doing another thing, I'm supposed to do another thing, or something is happening, I'm attending to another issue instead of attending to the one that pertains to that particular time. And I don't know, you can drop in the comment section how you manage your time, whether there's something I can learn from you guys. So you can drop it in the comment section, because that is really affecting me. I won't lie, it's really affecting me. And since my school have gone on strike again, I think it has even worsened, because before my school went on strike, most of the time I used to have class by 7, and sometimes my alarm goes by 6 and I'm supposed to be up. These days my alarm will go by 6 and I will be the one to off the alarm and still go back to sleep. So and most of the time I'm supposed to come to the chat by 7 p.m. to come and check if I have any trade opportunity. So most of the time I can come to the chat by 8. Sometimes I will see that the opportunity has not come or is not ready. So I will just go back again. So I'll just go and do other things again. But normally for my time I'm supposed to wake up by 6. Do some stuff before I head to the chat, but I just find myself waking up by 8. Alarm will go by 6. I will be the one to office. Sometimes I'm not even on the alarm, and I don't just know. I need to work on that time management, and it's been really affecting me. it won't even be affecting me. Another thing I need to work on is I need to find a way to backtest. I don't know if it's because I don't have people who trade around me, because most of the people I have don't like really know, that live with me, don't really know about trading that much. Like I'm the one that do trading that much. Like some of them I'm not really sure that interest like that. So I think that's one thing that is not even making me focus, because I always tell myself that I want to try and start backtesting, and be giving time to backtesting and studying of chart, because I won't lie, that to backtesting and studying of charts, well, I'm not really taking those two things serious, and I'm not really, so I used to have this thought that if I have somebody that is doing the same thing like me, whether it might really like give me that courage and that energy to always do it. So I don't know, but I need to work on it. That's what I know. So guys, that'll be it for this video. I don't want to make this video too long. It's already getting long already. So this week I started this week with, on the Maven PROPFIRM account, with a balance of $5,052. And the P&L for this week on the Maven PROPFIRM account is 0. I didn't take any trade on the Maven PROPFIRM account. And on the NairaProp account, I started the NairaProp with a balance of 200k with a new account, and there's no P&L too on this one because the trade didn't play out, so I can't say it's a P&L. At the end of the next week, the trade might be a loss. It might end up being a stop loss, so no P&L. But the floating profit before the market close was 12,212 naira. So this is it on the screen. And on the Atlas funded account, I started the Atlas funded with a balance of $10,464.05. And on the Atlas funded account, no P&L, but the floating profit before the market close was $132.67. So that's the outcome of all the trades that I took for this week. I will not say the outcome. I will not say that is the current status of all my PROPFIRM accounts for this week. So let's just see how next week goes. If the trade is full take profits, and one thing is that before this video drop, it will be a review for last week trades. So because this video will drop next week around Monday, Tuesday, and this once I had this video too, is that most of the time I drop my video on Tuesday, sometime on Wednesday, but the one I dropped last, I drop it on Thursday. I just feel like whether I'm doing too much. That's why I'm not being able to manage time. And one thing about this YouTube is that I really want to stay consistent. with this YouTube, because I have really being inconsistent many times, that I would just not post video for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and I want to really stay consistent with YouTube, and I need to try my best at that also. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Let's see how next week goes. If the trade which I took for this week, the GBPJPY trade, let's see how it plays out next week. If it's take profit, stop loss, or break even, let the market decide that, and I'll update everything about it next week. So that'll be it for this video, guys. As you all know, I trade with Maven PROPFIRM and Atlas funded PROPFIRM. So if you want to check out any of those PROPFIRM, the Maven PROPFIRM or the Atlas funded, there will be a link in the description for you to check out any of those PROPFIRM, the Maven PROPFIRM or the Atlas funded. And guys, like I always say, before you start trading with any PROPFIRM, make sure you do your due diligence, do your research, and most importantly, read and understand the rules of the PROPFIRM before you start trading with any PROPFIRM. It is very important. And if you be like, oh, I want to check out this new you just started trading, I want to check out their account, like this 200k size account. It cost 9,000 naira, but I got a 25% discount on first time purchase. I think that's what they call it. So instead of paying 9,000, I paid 6,750 for the account. And one thing is that I need to clear this. I just started trading with this particular NairaProp account. The NairaProp account which I traded with in the month of January and in the month of March is a different one from this one. And the reason I did not go further was that they've changed some things there which I don't think suit the way I trade. So I just decided to go for this new NairaProp. And this new NairaProp, I've seen people talk about it, and people have, and I've seen some withdrawal proofs, so I just decided to take the risk and try this NairaProp. So if you decide that okay, I want to check out this NairaProp, like I said, I just started trading this account. So before you click the link, know that I have not made any withdrawal. It's my first time trading with this NairaProp. But if you want to check them out, there'll be a link in the description for you to check NairaProp out. And you can also go on Twitter and type the name NairaProp and see for yourself, and see and do research and see people who have made withdrawals before you can decide to, like, if you want to trade with NairaProp. So if you want to check out any of those 3 PROPFIRM, there'll be a link in the description. But it's very important, read and understand the rules, do your research and do your due diligence. So guys, if you're looking for a broker to trade with, there'll also be a link in the description for you to check out EXNESS broker. So EXNESS broker is a broker I've traded with once. When I started trading, I traded with live accounts with EXNESS broker, and their rules was good to me. I feel their rules was good to me, and the service was good to me. So if you want to check out EXNESS broker, you want to trade with EXNESS broker, there'll be a link in the description. But before you click the link, don't just click the link because I say the service was good to me. Do your research, do your due diligence to know if the broker is kind of broker that suits the kind of your trading style. So that'll be it for EXNESS broker, because there are criteria to group brokers. So you just do your research and know which one you want to go for. But if you want to trade with EXNESS, there's a link in the description. So guys, that'll be it for this video. Like I said, if you like this kind of content, or you're just coming across my channel for the first time, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Please guys, support your boy. And if you have been watching my video and have not subscribed, please guys, subscribe, like, share and comment, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.